fried food at the fair?
So it's fried, just cheese puffs?
With beef in it. Pretty good.
This is a fried pie.
What does it taste like?
Deliciousness, yeah.
The Red River Rivalry, best damn rivalry we got.
Booyah!
One of you is going to be mad, the other one's going to be happy.
Yeah, we're not talking now.
You kind of prepare him, let him know what it was like.
It's like nothing to prepare him for all this chaos.
The greatest rivalry in college football is underway. Here we go.
It's split down the middle.
I'm a diehard all day, baby.
How much do you hate orange?
It makes me want to puke.
Right there, right there.
Who's number one?
There is no competition. This is the greatest rivalry in college football.